In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel in Agoda using GCash. If you want a simple and convenient way to reserve your hotel stay without relying on traditional credit cards, this guide will help you understand the entire process from start to finish. Agoda makes it easy for travelers to choose flexible payment options, including GCash, so you can book your trip with ease and confidence. To begin, open your preferred web browser or the mobile app on your device. Type Agoda in the search bar and go to the official website or launch the application directly. Once the home page loads, you will need to log in to your account. This ensures that your bookings, preferences, and travel history are properly saved and managed in one place. If you are a new user, you can create an account by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, proceed to the search section and enter your travel destination along with your preferred check-in and check-out dates. Agoda will then display a list of available hotels that match your search criteria. You can refine your results using filters such as price range, location, ratings, and amenities to help you find the most suitable accommodation. Once you find the hotel that fits your needs, click on it to view more details. Take a moment to review important information such as room features, guest reviews, and hotel policies to ensure it meets your expectations. When you are ready, click the Book Now option to continue with your reservation. You will then be directed to the checkout page where payment options are displayed. This is where you can select your preferred payment method. Agoda provides several alternatives, including digital wallets like GCash, bank transfers, and other online payment services depending on your region. Choose GCash if it is available and follow the prompts to complete your payments securely. Before finalizing your booking, carefully review all details, including your travel dates, hotel selection, and payment method. Once everything is correct, confirm your reservation. After completion, you will receive a booking confirmation through email or within the app, which you should save for future reference. And that is how you can successfully book a hotel in Agoda using GCash, making your travel planning smoother and more flexible. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.